Catus Maximus here again, this time with I would call a classic Harbor Freight review. These are the 6-inch dial calipers that are the mechanical dual reading inch and metric. And so these were real popular at Harbor Freight. And they were always out of stock. And when I finally found a pair, I found these and then they stopped carrying them. And this has been many, many years ago. But these were real famous. They were always out of stock. And as you can see, you can't see the two needles at 0, but as they go, you can see the offset. And then you can see each point where the metric and the imperial lines up. And that explains why things like 5/16 and 8mm and etc. are so close. 3/4 inch and 19mm. If we go up to 3/4 of an inch here, if we get real close, there we go. You can see that 3/4 of an inch and 19mm is super darn close. Within a couple thousandths actually. But you can see the quality. We've got it up close. Metal bezel, which I really liked. These aren't, the best, but one thing about dial calipers is if you keep these, a light machine oil and keep these screws adjusted, you want that about as tight as you can get, but it still have it be able to slide back and forth. And they'll be pretty darn accurate. I mean, they're a simple mechanical system. So even poor quality ones can give you consistent measurements. This is nice, it gives you readings to the thousandth of an inch or to, it says 0.02 millimeters, but you can get in between the lines, so I call it to 100th of a millimeter. The only plastic thing is the little wheel holder. It'd be nice if that was metal, then it would have finished it out. It is stainless, although you can see a couple little dots of rust. So it's not the best grade of stainless steel, but generally speaking, it is much more corrosion resistant, particularly against oils that are in your hands. So that was just a quick review and showing. So if you ever see, these kind of calipers can still be ordered online. But if you ever see a set or something at a garage sale, they're actually pretty handy, being able to have the analog measurement of inch and metric, and it displays them both at the same time. So that's also kind of handy. Do I have a metric size or an inch size that's close? So just a simple little review. The back is still pretty nice, and they are serialized, which is interesting. Even that metal back clasp, or this back clasp is metal. It's strange that is the only plastic part on it. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Catus Maximus out.